Here we have an 8300 Lionel steam locomotive. This was a stripped down basic locomotive, 70s vintage. This one with the Acetique Tavica Santa Fe logoing. It's a plastic body, pot metal linkages. They came without an electric light. This one, I've actually added one to it using just a simple soldered in light bulb. There is no reversing unit in these units. It's got a switch that manually allows you to place it in forward, neutral, and reverse, which allows me to run it with my milk car. So, just like this. These are inexpensive. You can find them on eBay for $10 to $15. I recently picked this mint condition one up for $15 with the caboose, and another $15 for shipping. And as you can see, it's a nice little runner for a small little train. Today in my kitchen, but will make a great Christmas setup. That's the Marks Bell single. Picks up the power from the middle rail. And this is an insulated shoe, so when the train comes over, completes the circuit. Very clever. It's also another Marks single with a standard pressure plate. And we all recognize the Lionel single tower.